How to remove two-factor authentication Facebook in locked account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove two-factor authentication Facebook in locked account. Now, what is two-factor authentication? It is a simple and effective security measure that presents across platforms from banks to social networks. However, if your phone is part of the verification process and you lose it, getting back into an account can be tricky, but it isn't impossible. Now, two-factor authentication on Facebook or Meta is the same. It's easy to activate and disable if you can log in. However, if you are logged out, then it might be quite tricky as well. If you are logged out of your account and you don't have access anymore and you are logged out due to two-factor authentication, then here are some tricks that you can do to bypass it. Now, the first is try logging in through a recognized device or location, from a recognized location on a recognized device. This will help you bypass the security. And the other thing is you will have to provide an email address and a form of your personal government issued ID. The other thing what you can try doing is, once you are logged in, you might wanna remove the two-factor authentication from the settings on your phone. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.